Bitcoin money certainly is a mid-position cryptographic money at present evaluated at $250.34 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,872,532,620 win, which is genuinely huge. Over the fundamentally past not very many years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and in every way that really matters, are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in an exceptionally significant way. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and brokers sort of are by and large keen on digital currencies extremely, for example, BCH on the grounds that this is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat fundamentally brief timeframe, in spite of mainstream thinking. These profits are certainly unreachable in essentially different business sectors, which fundamentally is the justification for why most moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones sort of dedicate a critical piece of their in every way that really matters cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. Incredibly, at this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $250.34, where it at present sits. As currently referenced, BCH most certainly is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it by and by possesses the 17th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the essentially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization remains at $4,872,532,620 win. The significance of this boundary will sort of but generally made sense of later, which is very critical. Our cost expectation calculation in a real sense is planned in commonly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio and fundamentally choose whether or not it by and large necessities to essentially be reconfigured in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is truly irreplaceable for the truly right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading, which is genuinely huge. Beneath you will sort of find key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market especially is going. Recently, on July 30th, BCH really was esteemed at $242.06 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recall that digital currencies sort of are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 1.18%. 7 days prior, on July 24th, Bitcoin money was exchanged at $249.88 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its especially present position. On July 1st, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $305.94, the cost level that is at the distance of 18.17% from where it right now stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX for the most part are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they sort of thought. Market capitalization in a real sense is one more significant exceptionally metric that assists dealers generally with deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, or so they thought. It's additionally used to especially evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the whole digital currency market, or so they thought. The equation for the computation of market capitalization is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the money being referred to generally is duplicated by its in every way that really matters current cost, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH basically remains at $4,872,532,620 win, enough to name it the 17th scarcely the biggest coin on the digital money market, which in a real sense is very critical. Recently, on July 30th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money remained at $4,710,965,859 in a sort of significant manner. 7 days prior, on July 24th, the capitalization of BCH basically was $4,860,775,929 in a significant manner. A month prior, on July 1st, how much extremely capital streaming around this specific market commonly added up to $5,946,438,966 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Most digital money financial backers certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with and in every practical sense, certain digital money, and its capacity to, in a real sense, endure disturbances, which especially are the very normal event on this profoundly unstable market. It's in every way that really matters clear that the especially previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to explicitly order it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering, which is genuinely huge. Since we have proactively referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would be proper to commit a part of this report to the stockpile of BCH in a quite enormous manner. By and large, for exceptionally your data, there certainly are three kinds of supply for practically every cryptographic money. The very most extreme stock, and that implies the quantity of coins that would sort of be created on a sort of specific blockchain, all through its presence, the essentially all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the venture. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use in kind of different words that are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The in every practical sense most extreme stockpile of Bitcoin money is 21,000,000 BCH. The truly complete stock of BCH as of now truly remains at 19,463,731 coins. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey in a real sense is 19,463,731 BCH, which in every practical sense is very critical. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't generally be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the fundamentally metric utilized by practically all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the sort of low exchanging volume, there truly is an extremely high likelihood that this move basically is impractical and would bring about a bullish snare amazingly. Hence, it's critical to really examine the past and the by and large current